Here's this afternoon's effort. Finally got around to filling another 5 of the IBC wicking self-watering garden beds, and filled them with a mixture of composted cow manure and composted sawdust. And I've also, you can see this grey stuff on the top here is rock dust, or rock dust granules, which is a safe, natural way to put minerals into the soil, so your food will be as mineral rich as it can possibly be. So we've got another 5 on top of the test bed, 6. These 2 are I'm waiting on getting some more 90mm downpipe before I can fill those. So these have got the gravel in the bottom, and then see my other videos if you want to see how they're made. And these are all ready to go. I've filled them up with water, and now I've just got to plant them out. So it's excellent. Should have a whole heap of veggies real soon, I hope. The tomatoes on this one are going absolutely crazy. Even though we're starting to get frosts here, they're just absolutely full of cherry tomatoes, which is fantastic. And it's still flowering. All the flowers up here. So pretty incredible, really. Cherry tomatoes all through there, up here, up the top, more flowers around the back, lots of cherries. Look at all of those, amazing. It just keeps producing, it's incredible. And these were just volunteer plants. I dug them out of the aquaponics. The aquaponics is going really well. These are the Egyptian walking onions, which are going really well. I haven't seen any bulbs yet, but they've divided. They keep dividing, and I keep breaking them up and planting them out. So they've sort of doubled in volume since I put them in. These are the perennial leeks, which aren't doing very well in the aquaponics. So I think I'll actually pull them out of here and put them in one of those beds. I think these might do a bit better in the soil, and I might try some of these walking onions in the soil as well. Nasturtium's going really well. They're flowering, which is amazing. Got some what do you call that? Cilantro, or I forget the other name for it. Coming on, and more tomatoes in the aquaponics. The plant looks a bit unhealthy, but there's heaps and heaps of tomatoes on there. I think it's got hit by the frost. This is the absolute tree of parsley, which is a mixture of curl and Italian flat parsley. I've got more nasturtiums in here, which are also flowering, which you can eat the flowers on these, and also eat the leaves if you put them in a salad. And then this is another variety of tomato, which was a volunteer as well, and it seems to be a bigger variety. So, but you can see through here, this thing's just loaded with tomatoes as well. And up here, more coming on, more coming on, more flowers up the top. I don't know if you can see how high this is, but it's the plant itself from the top of the garden bed to up there is probably about 5, maybe 6 foot tall. It's absolutely enormous. And it just keeps growing. It's almost like a tree trunk through here. The stem's as big as my thumb. It's incredible. So quite amazing, really. And the fish in the tank are doing very well. Probably can't see them. It's probably a bit dark. It is a bit dark. But anyway, they're doing very well, and no deaths. So that's it. I've just got to get some mulch on the top of those beds and get some plants in.